JTwist is back here with another video. Today we're going to be driving in a sandstorm. Well, dust storm, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I got the alert on my phone like 10 minutes before I left the school. We're just driving the bus back to the lot because, well, it needs to get back to the lot. So this ought to be an interesting one. Also, it's like 7 p.m., so it's quite dark out at the moment, and I'm having trouble getting in the bus. There we go. We're going to go and start up the bus. Again, this is a 2019 ICRE that we're driving in School Bus Simulator 24, if you are wondering. Let's go ahead and get this bus turned on. This is taking forever. I just want to get home. I really hope this doesn't take too long. Come on. Alrighty, finally, let's go and turn here. Oh yeah, the visibility, it is hard to see right now. Like, I nearly hit that pole. That's how bad it is. Gonna go and make this turn, hopefully not hit that pole. Ooh, close, very close. Holy cow, yeah, this is not ideal. Y'all, I should not even be driving at the moment. I should be on the side of the road right now. Let's go ahead and continue on. I am not taking the highway. That's a death trap, taking the highway. Alright, let's make this turn. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh man, this is really kind of scary, to be quite honest. Morning run, I think it was pretty clear during the morning and mid-afternoon run, but now, holy cow, it is absolutely very scary out here at the moment. I have to admit, holy cow. I just want to get this bus back to the lot. That's all I want to do. I also have a 360 camera installed on this bus, or whatever it's called, so you can see the exterior, so I'm about to show you that here in a moment. Alrighty, everybody, I am back again. We're just waiting for this light right here to turn. Well, the dust storm just went away, which is good. Oh, I just got another alert on my phone. It says a dense fog advisory has been issued for your area. Oh, come on. Where's the fog? Can I just get a break, please? And we are back now in a very dense fog. I can see why they issued that alert. Holy cow, this fog is absolutely insane. I've never seen anything this bad. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a pain parking in the lot. That's all I gotta say. Alrighty, I hope you all enjoyed this crazy video. I hope you all enjoyed. Like I said, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.